Nadu. Okay, children. Where we are living, our whole nation name is called India. You once again tell with me, what is the name of our nation? India. Okay, children. Next, we have a special flag for our nation. The flag, we will raise the flag in the post and our flag will fly everywhere with the blowing in the air. Okay, children. See here, the flag is blowing in the air. See here, and how does it look? How the flag looks? Yes, it is horizontal in shape. And see here, what color is first? Yes, orange. Orange is the first color. And next, see here, what color is second? White. White color. And third, what color is this? Green. Green color. Okay, children. For red, orange represent the freedom fighters who gave their life. They gave their blood to get back our nation from other people who invaded our nation. Okay, children. The orange color shows the blood of the freedom fighters. Okay, children. Next, see here, what color is that? White. White color represents our peace of mind and our nature of our heart, children. We always are pure in our by heart, isn't it? The white shows the purity of our heart and mind of a person. Okay, children. Next, green color shows our nation is full of green. Okay, children. Our nation is full of green. When we see everywhere, and that we can see that these are in green color trees. Okay, children. These three colors represent our whole nation in one flag: orange, white, and green. And in the middle part, what you are seeing there is a wheel, isn't it? That is called Ashoka Chakra. What is called Ashoka Chakra? And see here, that is in blue color. What color? Blue color. And there are some lines in it, isn't it? There are 24 lines in the national flag, Ashoka Chakra. How many lines are there? 24 lines. And this is our national flag. When we see a national flag, we have to give a salute to it. Okay, children. When we see a national flag, what we have to do? We have to give a salute. Okay, children. This is our national flag. Children, what is the name of our nation? India. Okay, children. And what is the flag? Yes, it is a tricolor flag with orange, white, and green. And middle we have Ashoka Chakra, that is in blue color. Okay, children. See here, children, what we are seeing here is it is the emblem of our nation. What is this? It is our emblem of our nation, India, children. What we are seeing here? Yes, we have 4 lines standing back to back, isn't it? The lines are standing back to back. We can see 3 lines in it, and the 4th line is back of the first line. Okay, children. And see here at the bottom, what you are seeing here is, yes, it is a galloping horse and a bull, and the back side we can see lion and an elephant. And see here, in between the galloping horse and a bull, what is there? Yes, we have already learned it is in our national flag, that is the Ashoka Chakra, and covered by a bell-shaped lotus. See here, children, it is our emblem, how our emblem is made. See here, we have 4 lions and a galloping horse and a bull and a lion and a elephant. Okay, children. See here, with the wheel in it and a bell-shaped lotus. Okay, children. It is the emblem of our nation, that is also called as Sarnath line, capital of Ashoka. Okay, children. Next, what we are going to learn is the national anthem of our nation, India. See here, this is our national anthem of our nation, India. It starts with the line Jana Gana Mana. Okay, children. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of our nation, India, and it was written by the poet Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, children. national song of our nation, India, is start with the line Vande Mataram. Start with the line Vande Mataram. Okay, children. And it was written by the poet Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who wrote the national song Vande Mataram? Yes, it was written by the poet Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, children. For this also we have to stand straight to the song over. Okay, children. Next, what is this? Yes, peacock. It is our national bird. It is our national bird. See here how it looks like. It looks wonderful, isn't it? Our national bird of our nation, India, is peacock. What is this? Peacock. See here, children. What picture is this? Tiger. What picture is this? Tiger. Tiger is the national animal of our nation, India. See here, what color is this? It is yellow color with the black lines in it. Yes, tiger is the national animal of our nation, India. Okay, children. Next, see here. What is this? Mango. We love to eat mango, isn't it? Mango is yummy, sweet in taste. Okay, children. We love to eat mango. Okay, children. Mango is the national fruit of our nation, India. Which is the national fruit of our nation, India? Mango. Mango is the national fruit of our nation, India. We love to eat mango, isn't it? Okay, children. Next, see here. What is this? Flower. What flower is this? Lotus. See here, the pink color lotus is the national flower of our nation, India. Lotus is the national flower of our nation, India. Okay, children. Lotus is the national flower of our nation, India. Next is see here, children. What picture you are seeing here? Yes, tree, a large banyan tree. What tree is this? Banyan tree. And the national tree of our nation, India, is banyan tree. It is so large, isn't it? Okay, with branches blowing towards the ground, isn't it? See here, children. Banyan tree is the national tree of our nation, India. Okay, children. Next, see here what they are doing. They are playing. Is they playing cricket? No, they are playing hockey with their hockey sticks in their hand, isn't it? See here, this is the hockey stick, and they are playing the hockey game, which is our national game of our nation, India. Hockey is the national game of our nation, India. Okay, children. Just shall we recall once again what we have learned from about our nation. Okay, children. See here, children. What is this? What is the name of our nation? India. What is the name of our nation? Just tell with me. India. Okay, children. Next, what is that? Yeah, flag. What is this? National flag with your tricolor horizontal flag with orange in the first, white in the middle, and green in the bottom with the Ashoka Chakra in it. Okay, children. Next, what is this? Emblem. What is this? National emblem. It is the Sarnath lion, capital of Ashoka. It is the national emblem of our nation, India. Next, see here, children. What is this song? National song. National song is Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is the national song of our nation, India, and it was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, children. Next, see here, what is this? National anthem. National anthem is start with the line Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of our nation, India, and it was written by a poet Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, children. Next, what is this? National animal. What is the national animal? Tiger. National animal? Tiger. And the national flower is lotus. What is the national flower? Lotus. And what is the national fruit? It is a mango. National fruit is mango. and the national tree is banyan tree. What is our national tree? Is banyan tree. And what is our national bird? Peacock. What is our national bird? Peacock. And what is our national game or sport? Is the hockey. What is our national sport? Is hockey. Okay children, I hope we all learned about our nation India. I hope you enjoyed and learned this about our nation. Now it's time for your home assignment children. For your home assignment, you have to complete the given worksheet and send it in the WhatsApp group. Okay children, and with that you have to do the writing work of the alphabet given to you. Okay children, thank you. See you and meet you in the next class.
Children, now we are going to see how to write the next group 1 letters, that is U and V. In the previous classes we have learned till yes, and now we are going to see the next group 1 letters U and V. Okay children, see, these are the group 1, group 2, group 3. Now we are seeing group 1 letters. Okay, take a fresh page, sharpen your pencil. Okay children, see here, have you all taken? Okay, before writing, put today's date. Shall we start writing? See here children, sharpen your pencil. Start with the middle line. Okay, say and write slanting line, standing line, curve, go up, come in the same line and small curve. What is this? Group 1 letter U. Say once again. Slanting line, standing line, curve, go up, come in the same line and small curve. This is group 1 letter U. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. Say and write children. Slanting line, standing line, curve, go up, come in the same line and small curve. See here, slanting line, standing line, curve, go up, come in the same line, small curve. What is this? U. Shall we write next group 1 letter? See here, slanting line, again one slanting line, and again slanting line, small curve. Touch this line with the curve. Okay, see here, slanting line, and go up with the slanting line and small curve. See here children, slanting line from top to bottom, again slanting line, from bottom to top, again slanting line and small curve. What is this? V. Group 1 letter V. V for van. Slanting line, again slanting line and small curve. I hope you all understood how to write the group 1 letter U and V. See here children. Slanting line, standing line, curve, go up, come in the same line and small curve. Now V, slanting line from top to bottom, slanting line from bottom to top, again slanting line and small curve. The curve should touch this line. Okay. Okay children, everyone practice this group 1 letter U and V. Practice each letter each day. Day by day keep practicing it. Thank you all.